Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be reviewing a screen that I'm going to be installing to my mini truck. As you guys know, older model vehicles don't have those technology, that screen that tells you the navigation and stuff to answer phone calls and stuff. But that's what I want. I needed to install one of those, and that's what I'm going to be doing. All right, let's go do the unboxing first, then the installation. And this is the screen. It's from a company called BINIZE. So let me just open it up and show you the screen. It's a CarPlay screen. Let's go. Right there, right off the bat, this is a 7-inch screen. And let's continue with the unboxing. It does have everything that you're gonna need. It does come with the stand where you're gonna be placing it. It does come with a backup camera also, which I'm not going to install. I don't need it right now. I have a different backup camera, but it does come with it. So if you're interested in that also, it does come with it. And your connection. There it is, guys. The power connection. So let me just go to the truck and install it so that you can see how it works. And where I'm gonna put it, it's this spot right there. This already came with the truck, so it's perfect. I'm just gonna leave it there. I already installed the little stand, and it does come with the 3M tape, which I am gonna just place it right there. Let me stick it on, and we'll continue with the power. There you go. Nice. And there it is. Now let me just connect the power, which I'm gonna probably connect right there. It's a lot easier, but I am gonna run it through the back. That way I won't be seeing all that wiring. All right, guys, I connected the power. I haven't ran it through the back. I just wanted to show you once I turn it on, and so you can see how it looks. There it goes. It powered right up. And there it is. That's your front setting. It's gonna image what you have in your phone, so that's what it is right there. It should pick up my phone right now. Right there is picking up the CarPlay, and there it is. Picked up my CarPlay from my phone. Perfect. And if I want to receive a call, I can receive a call through there. I don't have to use my hands. I can just answer it through there, and there it is. It's what I have on my phone. It mirrors what you have in your phone. This is a map. This is a route if you want to use it. Also, you have Pandora. If you want your music, you can listen through there. I do have a radio, but and your contacts right there. I'm not gonna press it because it's got all my contacts, but there it is, guys. That's simple, effective. That's all you need. So there you go. Right there, guys. As a matter of fact, my wife is calling me. If I want to answer, I'll just answer it right there, and you can hear it right there. So I can talk, I can be driving hands-free, and it's a lot easier. All right, this is it, guys. This is gonna be it for this video. It's a real quick unboxing. So real quick, guys, let me take you to the computer so you can see what else they got on their website, and I'll bring you back. And there you go. You saw everything that they had, guys. So go ahead, hit them up, tell them Faraway sent you guys, and this will be it. Thank you very much. If you want to get one of these BINIZE CarPlay screens, there you go, guys. It works perfect, and go get yourself one. Thank you, and like always, stay safe and God bless.